Hi, this is Sonia. I'm here in front of you all to give you all knowledge on freelancing. Basically, freelancing is a platform for the people who want to work from their homes or sitting at one place. So, in this era of COVID, we all are facing the financial issues. I think with freelancing, one can earn for this themselves, right? For beginners, I will say Fiverr is the best freelancing platform that we have nowadays. If you are a well versed or good enough, if you have good enough skills, then you can go for Upwork or many other platforms like 99 Design, Design Crowd, or again, I can say Guru. Okay, if you are good in your skills. If not, for beginners, Fiverr is the best one. So let me tell you more on it. Let me share my screen so that I can tell you more on Fiverr. Okay. First of all, you have to go on fiverr.com. Okay. So this is the which you can view is the fiverr.com page, right? And now let me tell you on this again how you can join it. You can just register and sign in, or you can just log in with your Gmail ID, right? So I am continuing with my Gmail ID. This is my already existing account, so I will give you a brief on this. First of all, when you enter in your Fiverr account, there are two tabs over here. One is switching, one is switch to buying, and one is switch to selling. When you get some service from the Fiverr, you are on this switch to selling, right? If you click on it and you get into switch to buying mode, then you are just a freelancer, right? You are providing service to the clients. Okay, so this is the account of mine. Okay, first of all, you have to put some details. Okay, so how you can view the details, let me show you. If I click on this my ID, you can find this. You have to first of all, you have to put your own profile pic. Okay, you can't put anything like if you like some trees or some mountains and you are putting it here. No, Fiverr will restrict you from this. So whichever pic of yours is good, you can upload it. Your front view will be preferred in this. Okay, now coming to the other details, you can put it. Okay, the description, uh, describe more on your experience in the description part, more on how much you have worked for. If you are giving service to your clients, that also you can put that I have worked for this client, or I have this many years of experience. I am having industrial experience. I have done some certification courses वगैरह वगैरह आप डाल सकते हो. Okay. Next is the languages. I will tell you about the languages. See, on Fiverr you can put n number of languages because this platform is in the whole world, right? You can get clients. Clients will hire you from anywhere, right? So you can put any language whichever you are okay with. But again you will say ki I don't know French, I don't know German, then how can I talk with them, right? So there is no such issue about it. You can use Google Translate and you can just translate the whatever text the client has mentioned, right? Now there are certain links which you have to link into your accounts if you are willing to. If not, you can keep it as it is. The skills, now skills is if I add a new skill here, if it is like graphic designing, okay, maybe I have added it. Okay, okay. So I can put it like this, graphic designer. Now the experience level, am I a beginner or an intermediate or expert, you can put over here. If you are a beginner, you just can add a beginner and just add it. Okay, the skill will be added. Depending, this is the most important part. Depending on this, the buyer request will be sent to you. Okay, I will tell you more on this, the buyer request and all. Right now, you just focus on this, right? Next comes the education. What education you have, means how much educated you are, you can put over here. Certification, if at all you have done any certification, you can put it. Okay, now this fiverr.com has these many tabs which you are, this dashboard, messages, orders, gigs, analytics, earnings, community, and more. Now let me explain just briefly on it. Dashboard is nothing but whatever service that you are providing. Message is, messages means just the inbox. If client is approaching you, he can put your messages in this, like this. See, look here, this one. Okay, next, orders, how many orders you have completed. Look here, uh, priority, active orders, late orders, delivered, completed, cancelled, and starred. Okay, I will tell you more on this afterwards. Now gigs, what are gigs? Gigs are nothing but the services that you are providing to your clients, right? So now basically for a beginner, Fiverr provides you 7 types of gives an opportunity to you to provide 7 types of services to the clients, right? Next, the, and this is not important. The next is the more tab, right? In more tab, you have buyer request. Now, what is this buyer request? Buyer request is the request which buyer gives you, right? On this, you have to give something like, you have to send a proposal to the buyer, right? From here, you can click on this and you can select whatever gig you have, and you can send a proposal. Okay, I think this much is sufficient for today and for this lecture.